loud sound. Again, I have here pictures. And these pictures have its own sound in every picture. So you will just determine whether it's soft or loud sound. Did you know what soft and loud sound is? Yes. What is soft sound? When we say soft, it's like soft or like whispering in a gentle voice. And when we say loud sound, it is when we shout, when some noises is alarming and it's so very noise, right? And we can say that it is loud. So for now, so we need to guess the picture. So the first picture is, what is this?
Bird.
Bird. And the sound of this bird is
Soft sound.
turn here. So, what do you think? Soft or loud? Soft. Very good. The second one is, what is this? Cat. It's a cat. So we will listen to
Ano ang buta niya iring? Ni Guto.
Okay, so what do you think?
Soft.
Yes, correct. It's soft. So the next one is, ta-da!
Cow.
Sa Bisaya baka ay baka. Okay. So
Papoy daw na.
sound.
Papoy na mo.
Okay. So you're all familiar with baka, right? So what do you think, class? Sound.
Loud.
It's so very
Loud.
Yes.
Loudness. The loud house.
Next one is, what is this?
Bee.
It's
Maya the bee. Maya the Jollibee.
annoying sound.
Ano
Yes,
yun?
it is.
Cute na na.
Wow, what do you
Loud.
think? Loud. Soft.
Medium.
It is
Medium rare.
soft because
Oriya.
volume naman ni class, pero kung sa personal ni siya nga kanang sa buyog is soft din siya.
Saba man na sila,
Yun,
ma'am. Saba
So,
man na
let's do-
sila, ma'am.
So it's just soft sound. So next. This one, what is this? Maracas. Maracas. It's maracas. It's an instrument. And we can use this to
Play.
shake to produce sound. So we will now listen to
Kaya we did.
loud. It is soft again.
Why?
Because
Soft din ang
maracas
beans.
is kanang if sa original ni siya class kanang hinay mo mas di man kani siya kanang volume raman ni siya class mauning ano
Di ba katong umo ba?
sa volume pero sa personal hinay ni kay na
Ah, di ba? Or in your opinion?
So do you understand now why is it soft sound?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Loud man
So
ang beans.
this one,
Loud.
what is this?
A drum. Ma'am, mahulog ang baby, ma'am.
So we will now listen to the sound of our drum.
Hindi mo mabalibad.
Loud.
Loud.
So if naisunog of course ay bombero or fire truck,
No,
so
that is a
loud
fireman.
sound because it's so nice and loud. So next is, what is this?
Drum.
Drum.
Stick.
Very good.
Drum and
Oh,
drumstick.
drumstick.
Fried chicken.
one. What is
Thomas and friends.
what?
Thomas and friends.
So
What's the rail?
what?
I've been
We
working
will
in the railroad.
listen,
Oh, the
sound.
railroad.
So RJ, I have a question for you, RJ. So we will listen again.
Murag baboy.
This is the traditional train. So what do you think, RJ? Loud, very good.
Thomas and friends.
Thomas and friend, I see you are really watching cartoon. So how about this one?
Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Your heart is in a
So
state of
now
emergency.
listen.
Ano na, ambulance?
So lastly, it is loud sound. Very good. Clap your hands at work. You're really good at this in our activity, right? So now we're done guessing. I have some questions to ask regarding to our activity earlier. So my first question is, what did you notice about the sound created by the object in the picture? Have you noticed, class? There is
Loud sound.
and
Loud.
sound. Very good. So I think everyone now is kabalo na dyan, no? Sa sound and loud sound. So what do you think, class, is our lesson, or what will be our topic for today?
Soft and loud.
Soft and loud sound. So,
Zero
and loud sound. But, in soft and loud sound,
2-4.
naagin siya main nga topic. Kung asa din siya na below nga topic ni soft and loud sound ba? So, ang atong discussion for today is all about the distinction between the softness and loudness in music in dynamics. Do you know what dynamics is?
No.
Oh. So, don't worry, class. I will discuss and elaborate further what dynamic is. So, we have here the meaning of dynamics. Class, can you all please read?
Dynamics means how quietly or loudly a piece of music should be played. Dynamics are an important way of conveying the mood of a piece, and your use of dynamics is a marked element of your performance. Composers use dynamics to change the mood.
Okay, dynamics means how quietly or soft sound. When we say quietly, we can say it like whispering. Like we can sing lullaby, right? It's soft. And this should be played or loudly. When we say loudly, it's very loud. So now, when I say soft, you will say again, soft. When I say loud, you need to say loud. Loud. Okay. 1, 2, 3, loud. Loud. Loud.
Loud.
You can say,
The loud house.
my students is very intelligent. Dynamics are important ways and good. Class, do you have any favorite music? Yes. So dynamic is used to change the mood of the music. It's because there are in the song there are like soft and then it goes loudly, so it can change the mood in one song or in music. So the composer's class or our favorite artist is use this dynamics to, as I said earlier, to change the mood of the song. Okay. So now, in dynamics class, we have symbols of dynamic sign. We have Italian words of the symbol and the English third. So, what is this letter? P. There are three P. So the three P sign is, we call it in Italian is pianissimo. Pianissimo. Again? Pianissimo. 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 Again? Pianissimo. Okay. In English, it is very soft. So, when we say very soft, is we can, for example, you are whispering your two fingers like this. This pianissimo example. Can you do it, class? So, it's very soft, right? Okay, the next one is PP or pianissimo. Pianissimo. It is very soft. Very soft. And the P for piano. For and P is
Mezzo piano.
or
Moderately soft.
MF
Mezzo forte.
or
Moderately loud.
F
Forte.
loud. FF
Fortissimo.
very loud.
Fortissimo.
Very loud. So in dynamics class, like it's just like a volume. Like, this one is very low or soft, and this one is like when we say the average sounds that we can hear, like very soft or moderately loud. And when we say forte, it's loud, and fortissimo is very loud. It's just like a volume when we adjusting to listening our music. So, and the last one is the fortissimo. It's very loud. So did you understand the symbols of the dynamics?
Yes.
So, now, I have here
Excuse me.
so we were done now listening to music. So and thank you class for your participation, and you were really good at our discussion for today that you determined what song or the lyrics that I have been introduced to you earlier. So for now, I will give you to the floor of our teacher for our activity for today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear that.